Old project or new? Tired of the traditional edging choices? Composite, rubber, plastic, metal? Tired of wasting time and precious money and mulch? If you've answered yes to any one of these questions, then check out EZPZEdging.com and allow EZPZ Edging to make landscaping better. EZPZ Edging does everything traditional edging does and more, making it much easier to install and lasting way longer. Goes around the same areas, trees, shrub, flowers, plants, goes around corners the same exact way, doesn't crack, chip, fade, or break down, even like real rock, doesn't even rust like metal edging. But how easy is the install? Well, very easy. Simply lay out the panels that you purchased from EZPZ, make sure you have enough for the job at hand, and then double check to make sure that there's no modifications needed to be made, such as this one. We're going to cut off this joint. We didn't have a knife, but we found a saw blade. Don't try this on any one of the other traditional edgings. It won't work, I promise you. Then once you're done making your cuts, you're going to prep the area of install. We used a weed trimmer. Once the weed trimmer is finished, then you're going to start staking the EZPZ panels from the bottom up through the pre-drilled holes and the supplied stakes with your purchase. Once the joints are in place, they will be rendered invisible. Did I also say that EZPZ edging will not fade and is weed eater safe? The color is embedded in it, and we know that it's not going to do this because we've been making similar products for over 20 years. EZPZ edging is so easy to install, the whole family can do it. We've made that tiring, boring landscape job almost fun again. EZPZ edging not only looks real, but it goes around corners and still maintains that real rock-like look. Once you have everything in place, you can then add your mulch. We recommend adding mulch to the top of EZPZ edging just as you would any other edging. This helps to give the nutrients to the plants, trees, shrubs, and flowers that you are bordering. Remember, edging is supposed to make things beautiful or enhance a wonderful landscape, not detract, break down, and rust. You get it? EZPZ edging looks astonishing once it's installed professionally. And by professionally, I mean you or your family. EZPZ edging can be found wherever EZPZ edging is sold. You can also check out www.ezpzedging.com for more information, install, and pictures of before and after into some wonderful houses. EZPZ edging is here to stay, and once you install it, it's not going anywhere. It's backed by a 1-year manufacturer defect warranty from cracking, chipping, fading, rusting, or breaking down. And it's not going to do any of those. So stop wasting money. Easy peasy.